tum tangan ya page na gini jingkeli gi by day pangka exam ka bang sudap jungka enumerator pod DSC is kasel te ngiyo sngo ba kidon ki ba klem sha shu bandrong ka por exam tong ba tongin ya kit khia na nish khmat bangin ya poidang step bangin ya be ha por papiang bakinum ja shu ki ba sufsi tingin ya page shu ka benta general knowledge tong ba kan general knowledge kan ka snam kawan ba bon bawan ka election bat ka history te ki kham suk ki jingkeli bat balakat taru tongin ya page yakini universal allo franchise means kani gadai this is every adult citizen can vote. Number C. Election petition are settled by election petition are settled by this is it should be Supreme Court and High Court. Which schedule for the of the Constitution related to anti-defection law? This is kain kentiap seng bang. Kedai po 10 schedule. Delimitation of constituency is done by Kajingpia constituency ale ada ka delimitation commission under Article 82. Which Prime Minister gave the slogan Garibi Hatao? This is the slogan of Indira Gandhi during the election campaign 1971. Indira Gandhi. Which Indian state used VVPAT machine for voting? All states in India are using this EVM machine. Which election is conducted through proportional representation system in India? This is for the presidential election in the parliament. This is number. What is the term used when no single party wins a majority? This is obviously coalition government. Most of the party forms together to form government. When there is no single party wins majority, and then when there is no party wants to form a government, then is the we used to call a hung parliament. 144. The use of electronic voting machine EVM started in 1998 and it was introduced in 1982. When did the non-cooperation movement started? This is number B, 1920 August. Which event led to the suspension of non-cooperation movement? This is a favorite question of DSC and MPSC. This is Churi Chora incident. Who composed the song Vande Mataram? This is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Tangba uni Chattopadhyay ru Uday u Chatterjee. Haki Bengali kilen Kenkumju Chattopadhyay and Chatterjee. Who launched the civil disobedience movement in 1930? This is Mahatma Gandhi. Which disease killed millions in Europe in the 14th century? This is plague. Kaklam. Which country was known as the workshop of the world in the 19th century? This is Great Britain. The First World War began in which year? This is 1914. Who invented the printing press? This is number B, Johannes Gutenberg. Who founded the Indian National Congress? This is A.U. Hum. The partition of Bengal happened in 1905. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in Kajing Shasiat, Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in 1919. What was the objective of Caliphate movement? This is Hindu-Muslim unity. The Quit India movement was launched in 1942. Subhash Chandra Bose led which army? This is Indian National Army, INA. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Lord Mountbatten. India got independent on, this is easy question, 15 August 1947. The Indian Constitution came into effect on 26. That's why we celebrate Republic Day. Who gave the slogan Do or Die? Mahatma Gandhi. Who led the Salt Sarighat from Tamil Nadu? This is Raja Gopalachari. What does Nota stand for in election? This is none of the above. We don't like those candidates. That's why we choose Nota. When was Nota introduced in India? This is 2013. 73rd Constitutional Amendment deal with election to Panchayat Raj. In India, elections are held using method secret voting. No one knows to whom you vote. Which winds are responsible for rainfall in India during summer? This is southwest monsoon wind. Games were invented. This is Greece. Which organ purifies blood in human body? Kidney. What is the largest desert in the world? This is Antarctic. Which country hosts the FIFA World Cup 2020? Most of us may be confused because it has been so many years, but it is Germany. Which element has the chemical symbol of O? This is obviously oxygen. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Who painted Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the term of office of the Chief Election Commissioner? This is 6 years or until 65 years of age. The highest multi-purpose river valley project is Bhakranagal project built on the Punjab-Haryana border. Which of the following is an example of rain harvesting? This is rooftop water collection. Which river is associated with the Hirakud Dam? This is Mahanadi in Odisha. Which of the following is not use of dam? This is mining. Which state has made rooftop rain water harvesting compulsory in all houses? Tamil Nadu. This is a very good initiative. India's climate is strongly influenced by this monsoon. Which is the wettest place in India? This is not only in India but all over the world. So thank you. For other section we will see in the next video. Thank you.